my views is maybe unpopular because I don't see it as culture appropriation. Like, if someone gets cane rolls, it's a hairstyle. Yes, it originated in black communities, but to say that your community can't have this hairstyle because you're from another community, can they say the same thing to you? Anything that's originated from our community, you can't do. So I don't actually agree with the whole thing, especially when people are shouting it, saying that's culture appropriation, but the person who's taking the hairstyle is giving credit to where they got it from. So what are you saying? They're not allowed the hairstyle because it originated in black communities, especially when they're not even acting like we've created it or we've come up with this, or this is coming from our culture. You know, I think culture is a beautiful thing, and I think it's something to be shared. Or if I go home and I make a Chinese dish, is that cultural appropriation? So I just feel like some of these things have gone overboard, especially if I'm going home and I'm saying I'm making a Chinese dish. So I just feel like culture appropriation, if someone is taking it and acting like they have created it and maybe not giving any credit to where they've got it from, then that is culture appropriation. But someone just taking a hairstyle, a dish, a dress sense, and crediting it to where it came from, is just sharing culture.